Now that you have your wall exposed and your floor area cleaned up, you can see that we have wires running all through the walls, still with electricity. And that's how you're going to take off your drywall without potentially cutting into something that you're not supposed to, such as a water line or electricity line. So next we'll just take off our tile work here and we'll show you how to do that. First, you're going to want to cover the bathtub with some sort of thick material, soft material that if the tile comes down, it's not going to scratch your bathtub. But in this case, we're taking out our bathtub, so we'll just go ahead and start taking off our tile work on the wall.
First thing you want to do is remove any corner trim, whether it's wood or metal. Next, drive the crowbar in behind the tiles. This removes the tiles fairly easily, breaking them off, although it can take time, and what you can do as an option is use a small jackhammer, which can make it much faster, breaking up the tiles off the wall. However, you want to be very careful with a small jackhammer because you don't want to go through the tile and through the wall and possibly into a water line. Again, you want to make sure that the water is shut off to your bathroom before tearing out any walls. This removes any risk of potentially causing water damage if you accidentally hit a water line. Remove all the drywall and any insulation behind the tile. This will expose all of the pipes and wiring behind the wall.